Hey guys, someone's gotta clean the fridge. Oh gosh. Seriously guys, no one's cleaned the fridge? Yeah, I'm not even hungry anymore. Gonna go play paintball. First I'm gonna grab a snack. No, I'm not. I'll eat an apple. Oh. Guys, if no one cleans this fridge, we're gonna have to nuke it.
Call in the airstrike.
Wouldn't be any less radioactive. Fine, I'll clean it. You can do this. You can do this. I don't know that I've even seen this color before. What in the... Ugh. Why are... I was wondering where I put that. Expired in 2012. Behold, the source of all nastiness.
Oh gosh, it's got me.
It's just a little past its prime. Is it supposed to look like that? Is it supposed to smell like that? Nah, he's probably gonna want that still. What in the name of Moses is this doing here? Guys, you owe me for this! I'm not doing dishes for a month. And that doesn't include last month. Oh, I swear in the name of the Easter Bunny if this rips. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For the most part, this is actual dialogue from the other day when we had to clean out our fridge here in my apartment. My family left to England for 6 weeks, so all the stuff in there went bad and I had to clean out that fridge. So I thought I'd recreate a few of those scenes just as a gag. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That is actually generally what it's like. Anyways guys, like, comment, and subscribe beneath, and I will talk to you guys later.
Wait, is that recording?